Hi everyone, it's Rachael Smith with Compass up in Big Bear. Today I'm going to walk you through the new listing at 1019 West Mountain View over in Big Bear City, right in front of the airport. So I'm praying that we get a really cool either plane takeoff or plane landing that I get to show you. So come check it out. Okay, here we are, 1019 Mountain View, right here. Very quiet street because it is a dead-end street. It ends right here. Cannot get through. So just people coming down this road are the ones that either are lost or mean to. So here's somebody coming right now. But on the other side, take a look. We have the airport. So really great view because nobody's in front of you. You get to watch planes take off, planes land. You've also got Snow Summit views, Bear Mountain views, and that's Baker's Pond view. So great views. Here you're gonna have property line right here at the fence. And then you're gonna have another property line somewhere along this white line right here. And I can't wait to show you the interesting thing that this house has to offer. It's got so many cool options to it. So 2, maybe 3 parking spots here. Also, I always see people parking right here, and there's also no parking signs. So if you're not told you can't do it, maybe that means you can. You can buy a rock for $1. So the property is fenced. And then we've got our nice little wooden deck coming up to the property. A little area that you can sit out and enjoy. They do have a air show out here sometime in the summertime. That is great to watch. So there's 2 parts to this house, which you probably can't tell by looking at it, but it's actually 2 units. So you could use it as 1 unit, or you could use it as 2. So here we start in the main home in the living room. This one is a vacation rental. So they've got it permitted for the whole thing. So they went ahead and did the 3-2 versus the 2-1 because you could get a long-term renter in the back or in the front and then use the other side as an Airbnb as well, which I think would give you a lot of good opportunity. And then you could possibly give a break on rent to the person that long-term rents it so that they could help you out a little bit cleaning. So here we have tile fireplace with a gas starter. And then the TV up above. Good lighting in here too. And lots of good seating too. So usually I like to go to like the kitchen and the dining room first. But I think in this instance, what I'm going to do is take you up to the bedrooms through the main part of the home and then into that second unit. So let's go upstairs first. Throw you off from your expectations. A great thing to note, really good carpet, very forgiving, and it seems like it's in very good shape. And then we also have laminate style flooring and good light up top too. So to the right, we have more of the master bedroom. To the left, we have the kids' bedroom, and then we have the bathroom. So let's just stay to the left first. Do have access into the attic. I have not seen that attic. Here we have like a Formica countertop, quartz. And then we do have a gray flooring in here. Super clean. Tiled shower. It's almost like a plastic tile, but it looks so real. I think it is tile. And then we have a cast iron tub. Again, very clean. go into the kids' bedroom. So here we have 2 double beds in here, and you can see it really doesn't even take up much of the room. You could probably fit 2 queens or a queen and a bunk set, all kinds of space. So again, like, look at how much light is in here. I mean, you've got the recessed lighting, 4 recessed lightings and a fan, 2 lamps, really good. So we do have a closet here. So if it was full-time or if it was short-term rental, you know, you've got lots to offer. It is a mirrored closet, so really nice. You don't have to have another mirror to help you get ready in the morning. 2 matching headboards. Really great Big Bear comforters. Just really cute. So next, we're gonna go over to the, I think this is more of like the master of the house. Ta-da! So this is what we've seen as bedroom number 2 in the main part of the house. So the main part of the house is a 2-bed, 1-bath. The other part of the house is a 1-bedroom, 1-bath. So here we are. We do have, again, those sliding glass doors. I want to take you out here because maybe my prayers are going to come true and we're going to see a plane coming or going. We checking the skies, don't see anything. Checking the runway, don't see anything. But you actually do have a lake view. So you'll see Baker's Pond right here. Then you'll see an island right there, which is just dirt built up out in Baker's Pond. Then you'll see Stanfield Cutoff, and then you'll see the lake. So how cool is that to have a lake view and the airport view and the ski slope view? Like, couldn't be any more of a triple blessing if you would have asked for one. All right, so let's go inside. So again, this is, I didn't even tell you the first time, but it is a king bed. So good size, not overkill in the bedroom. Very tastefully decorated with furniture that matches, boom, 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 boom. And the seller is looking to sell this one furnished. Good windows throughout. Handrails for your vacation rental. All right. So we're still in the main part of the house. Let me know if you get confused on where we're at. This is the second, well, this would be the half bathroom. So you've got a half in here. So in the main part of the room, in the main part of the house, it's a 1.5 bath. So you have the sink and the toilet. You do have laundry and storage, but good size bathroom. If someone wanted to, I don't think you need to because the bedrooms are upstairs. You could put another shower down here. But I think that would probably not be necessary. So here we have the kitchen. And one thing to note, we do have central heating in here. Central heating, so that's good. Just nice, clean. This is quartz. Clean. Microwave. Not slow close, but you could easily add that. This is neat. Look at this. It's got a little kitchen timer inside the knife drawer and except it doesn't ding when it's done. Needs a little tune up. So here you have dining for 6. You could probably get away with an even bigger table here if you wanted to. Really good size kitchen. All large, normal sized appliances. Dishwasher, stove, microwave, fridge, storage here. Okay, now that is the first part of the house. So in order not to confuse you, I'm going to block the camera really quick, walk to the other side of the house, and then we're going to start from there. So I know you can still hear me. You just cannot see me. And I'm going to show you where they connect. Okay, so ta-da! We're at the back of the house, or otherwise known as the entry to the other unit. Okay. So when we walk in, we've got the bathroom right here, full-size bathroom, same laminate flooring, same tile, and the shower, same tub, super clean. It looks very similar to the front of the house, right? So here we have the fireplace with the gas starter. Again, good light, nice recessed lighting all throughout the house. So you could sleep someone, maybe 2 people right here. And then more of like an apartment style kitchen. So this is where I was thinking that like one person could live and be the Airbnb manager. Because it's got everything that you need, you know, it's got a full-size stove. You could put a dishwasher in here. You got plumbing, obviously, right here, and electrical nearby, so why not? Got a full-size fridge. So this would be their living room. And then from here, they would go into their bedroom. So here is the bedroom for the second unit. So, the queen-size bed, same furniture as above, good windows, good light. I actually have no lights on in here. If I did, it would look like that. Sometimes I miss that kind of important feature. Here we have the laundry hookups. So the second unit could have laundry if they wanted it. The sellers have just not ever hooked that up. And then we have their closet too. So where do these 2 units come together, you ask? Well, we're in the second unit. There's a door. It's got a key that people can get into. But here is the kitchen. So I think you might now understand that you could block this off from this, and these 2 people really have no reason to be near each other than parking. You kind of have to share the parking area too. So what I want to do right now is just walk you around back, around the outside, so you can see exactly where we are. So let me lock, locked. All right. So back here, you do have North Shore right here. And then I'd have to check and see who owns this land. I have looked it up in the past. I do not remember off the top of my head. So again, here you have just kind of a walkway to get to the water heater. One great thing is that it has 2 water heaters. So you have one for unit 2. And then you have 2 for unit 1. One thing to note too, there's like a little bit of like nail kind of, you can see all the nails throughout the house. If it were me, I would paint it black and just kind of hide all that. Never see it, never know that it was there. Do have a crawl space build up to the house. You can get there in the front of the house. It is fully fenced, so if somebody had dogs, you do have a little area for them. You got some rolls back here. And then here we are at the back on this side. So you can get through that way too. So if you would like to take a look, just give me a call. This one, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, lake view, ski slope view, airport view, close to town, close to the markets, close to everywhere you would really need to be. Hitting the market for $475,000. Great rental potential on having 2 different units where you can have 2 separate sources of income. And then you can also still use it for yourself too. So again, here we are at 1019 Mountain View. One other thing I wanted to check really quick, and they have 1 gas meter. So let me just check over here. See, yeah, 1 gas meter. So, but it looks like it used to be plumbed for 2. So could potentially go back to that. All right, there you have it. 1019 Mountain View, $475. Talk to you soon. Bye.